Tuesday. Today, I have already been busy starting to straighten up the house. This is basically just my morning routine. Kitchen, bedroom, that type of thing. Possibly throwing a load of laundry in if I have a load of laundry to do, which I do. I need to throw some towels in. And then basically today is going to be all day focusing on getting as many Christmas totes unpacked as I possibly can. So that is my mission for today. So today is gonna basically be just unloading all the totes, and yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna try to see how many totes I can get unloaded today and what I can get finished and accomplished. It's a slow process, just like I said yesterday. It's a slow process. I like to take my time. It's just not like, you know, snap my finger and everything's out where it should be. I wish it was like that, but it's not, sadly. I am not Mary Poppins, and I cannot make it happen like that. So, but yeah, I'm excited to start getting more stuff out and start decorating my house up and making it look nice and getting all those totes out of my way now, because it's actually getting on my nerves that they're out and in my way. So yeah, so just excuse the way that I'm gonna look for today. It's a home vlog. I'm not gonna get myself all decked out because I'm sitting at home. No sense in wasting my makeup if I'm gonna just be at home working in my house trying to get decorations up. So I hope that all of you guys can handle all that. Handle all this, basically, is what I'm trying to say. Handle all this. So, yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start getting myself together. I actually gonna throw a load of towels in and let that wash while I start getting some stuff unloaded. So I'll check back in with you guys a little bit. Alrighty, guys, so hey, I took a shower and got all cleaned up. How nice is that, huh? I finished up with some of what I wanted to kind of get accomplished today, which was some of my totes, getting those emptied out, which I did. And they are actually sitting outside right now on the back patio for Brian to take up to the carport or to the man cave. So that's what he's got to do this evening, hopefully. If not, he can do it over the weekend. I don't think it's not supposed to rain anymore, even though it looks like it's going to rain. But it is super chilly outside. I still have a lot of totes to go through. Oops, sorry. I still have a lot of totes to go through. And I did start decorating my mantle, but I haven't put all of my like stuff on top of the mantle. Basically what I wanted to do is just get my garland up there, because that is kind of like a pain in the butt to do. And I kind of wanted just to get that up there and get that out of the way. That way I could get that tote outside. But I will go through the process of putting, I'm not going to show you guys how, like the process again of putting the garland up, because it's a pain in the butt. But I will talk you through the process. So I'll show you guys how I did all that. And then, you know, how I tucked the lights in and all that good stuff. So I will do all that for you. I actually have to raise up the little So Very Merry sign, so that's a little bit higher so you can actually see it. And then all I just have to do is just add my embellishments on top of my mantle. But that I'm gonna do in a separate video of how to decorate my mantle, or how I decorate my mantle. But for now, I have all of these totes still to go. And I've been slowly just trying to clear them all out over there. I have these 3 to go through as well. Plus, I have a whole dining room to like go through. So there's a mess on my dining table right now. So here's kind of what I have laid out right now on my dining room table. Some bows. These are my napkins stuff that I have. This stuff obviously is gonna get, you know, taken care of. I did hang my little stuff up there, which you guys saw yesterday. I did take down that banner, which we discussed in yesterday's video. I took it down. Everybody seemed to agree. It just looks better without that banner. So basically what I did is I put that banner over here on this little area. And obviously this is like a temporary spot. I haven't put this anywhere yet. So I'm just in the process of everything. Still getting everything out and organized. So, and then I have to like sweep the floor as I go, because see the broom, I have to sweep the floor as I go because it makes a mess with all of the like dust and all of the little snowflakes that are on the garland and everything. And then in here I just kind of started adding a few little Christmas touches. That little tree right there, the snowman, he's not plugged in yet. I've taken down these things, so I need to find a home for them for the winter. Basically I'll just put them upstairs in the craft room while, you know, for the holiday season, and then I'll bring them back out again. So that's pretty much what I've accomplished today. And I also, well, I didn't do this today, but I did do these yesterday. I made cookies yesterday. So good. Ooh, I hope that's UPS. I have a package coming. Ooh, hold please. I have to text. All right, so that was my one package. I should have another package coming in, but this one was dropped off by the mail. This was a new blood pressure monitor, because we needed a new one. For some reason, we had like a child one, and that arm cuff was not fitting Brian, obviously, so we had to get an adult one. So I ordered the adult one, it came in today, and then I have another thing coming in which didn't come in yet, so I'm expecting UPS probably to drop that off. So let's go back to the cookies that I made yesterday. So yesterday I was in the mood to make cookies. So I stopped kind of decorating and I made cookies. So I made, what do you guys call them? Like peanut butter kiss cookies or peanut butter blossoms. So I made these yesterday. These are so freaking good. I love these cookies. Brian's not like a huge fan of those cookies, but he will eat them. He loves the kisses more than anything. So, but I love the, like, both of them together, the flavor of them together. So, yeah. And I finally did put, I don't want to give all my Christmas stuff away, but I am going to do like a big, huge Christmas, like, home tour or whatever. But there's a few things, like, I've been putting up here and there. So I showed you guys that I did this one yesterday, and then I did this one last night. So that looks really cute like that. So obviously, you know, I'm going to be tweaking things, probably moving things around. Things may not stay where they're at currently, so that's why it's like, meh, I don't care if I show you guys right now, because I'm going to do a full home tour, and then you guys will be able to see all of it when it's all done. So good. And then there was a new restaurant in town that just opened up. It's a new Tex-Mex fresh grill, and I thought maybe our neighbors would like to go out tonight for dinner, but they already had plans, so it looks like we're probably just stuck at home eating leftovers that I made last night. Which I made turkey sloppy joes last night. They weren't as great as like regular like beef sloppy joes, because turkey kind of turns out to be a little like mushy, but and doesn't have like a lot of flavor, but it was still good nonetheless. So it's probably what we'll have again tonight, unless I can talk Brian into going to Mexican, which would be so nice. But I have some towels that I need to get out of the dryer and fold up, and I have more in the wash machine that I need to get folded up. And yeah, so I think that's I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna call it a day on this yucky crappy day for my vlog. Everything's coming together so nicely, and I'm so happy about it. It looks so pretty. It just takes a time, and I like to take my time. Like I said yesterday, I don't like to rush through it, because if I like rush through it, then it doesn't look right. So, and I have to take my time, I have to fluff everything, and everything has its own little place. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. Oh, and I want to tell you guys a little bit about this shirt really quick. I got this from Chic Soul on my Facebook. Like, it kind of goes through like boutiques and stuff, and just that's on your Facebook. So I ordered this from Chic Soul, and I did get the 2X, which I'm glad that I did, because it's still a little small. I think because their products maybe run a little small, but I'm glad that I did get the 2X. So it fits really nice, and I love it. I love the pattern of it. It's so nice. It's not like real heavy either, so it's a kind of like a thin shirt, but I think I like it. It's really pretty. I think it was like black boots. I'm wearing actually black jeans with it right now, but yeah, good. I'm wearing black jeans with it. I never wear black jeans, but I bought these at Target when I was in Missouri, and they're okay. They're not bad. They're like black stretchy jeans. So I don't know. They're cute, but they're a little on the tight side. But what can you do? But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow in Wonderland. Bye, friends.